What's up, guys? Want to do a quick video today, just for fun. I'm at this location in the north of Bali, overseeing kind of the whole city here, like on a little hill, to show you. And just in front of me is a big garden. With this I want to have a little bit of fun, nature whooping with this little guy here. Let's see how it goes. Pretty sure I'm gonna crash one or two times in the bush. But yeah, let's see. And after this I just want to make a quick flight with my bigger drone, with the Bob 57 up there. This mountain ridge should be fun. So let's go. Yeah, this was already fun. Now let's see how it goes going far. Yeah, I got it. We're back. I have to admit that this is quite a lovely flight path. Really enjoy this one. It feels a bit sketchy sometimes. Signal drops at around 25-30 Mbps. I'm always like extra tense on the way back. But I really like this path, and I might do one dedicated video just for this, doing a nice sunrise. The sunrise goes down there, so it's illuminate this mount like perfectly. Just want to do it today, but yeah, you see the weather doesn't look good. I didn't have much sun in the morning. I tried to do it in the next couple of days. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time.